Hello and welcome back to our channel, everybody. If you're looking to add a stylish and a functional clock widget to your Windows desktop, in today's video, we will show you how to easily add those into your desktop screen. So let's just get started with the video. So it is pretty easy for that. What you can do is you can head over to Microsoft Store, open it up on your screen, and once you open it up, you can search for widget clock or widget launcher on your screen. So go to the search and type in widget launcher. And once you find it up, hit enter. And you may go ahead and look out for the one that you would like to download. For example, let's download this one right here called widget launcher. So you can click on this get option right here, click on it. And once you do so, it will initialize the process and get ready. And once the installation is completed, you can just set it up and open it up on your screen. Now, once the installer widget launcher has been installed, you can click on open to open up the particular application on your screen, and you'll be finding this particular interface. So let me just expand it. So what we can do is from here, you can look out for the clock that you would like to add. For example, if you would like to add a digital clock, you can select the option for digital clock, and there we go. Now what you can do is you can select up your clock styles, color, etc. You can customize it. So you can select the option for skin. For example, I would like to add up a color for dark skin for my digital clock, and you can select the background color, whatever you prefer. For example, a blue color. You can click on done. Same goes for border. You can click on done once you're happy with it. And your accent and your font color. Once it is completed, you can select up your transparency for your clock. You can go ahead and select it up. And once it is done, you can just go ahead and click on this option called Launch Widget. Head over and click on it. And you may wait for a bit, and your launch button should be available shortly. And there we go. Now select this option called Launch Widget. And once you do so, when you head over, close your screen like this, you should be finding the clock available here. So you can place it wherever you want. You can move it around and customize it according to your choice. You can select up this customize option, change skin in order to change the skin color, etc. And similarly, we have this option for settings where you can go ahead and select the option for 24-hour format or any other format. And there we go. And if you'd also like to remove it, you can select this option for close, and that will remove this particular clock from your screen. So that's it. If you'd like to add a clock widget on your Windows, it is super easy. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.